It enters gently, leaves with care, and sometimes comes to rest. This living force sustains the form and shapes awareness too. When guided with attention clear, its purpose comes in view. Through mastery of inner motion, the currents come into line. What moves within grows clear and steady, aligned with rhythm and time. The flow that acts, the flow that turns, the stillness held between, together form a harmony where truth is quietly seen. Within the unseen pathways, this energy is guided well. From center point to center point, where clarity can dwell. Not rushed, not held by force or strain, but shaped with mindful care. The inner field grows strong and clear, responsive and aware. Through mastery of inner motion, the currents come into line. What moves within grows clear and steady, aligned with rhythm and time. The flow that acts, the flow that turns, the stillness held between, together form a harmony where truth is quietly seen. At times the movement fully rests in balance, silent ground. No pull outward, no return, no motion to be found in this calm equilibrium. Awareness opens wide, prepared for deeper inner work where higher truths reside. When life force moves in conscious care through cycles great and small, the self aligns with wider laws that quietly shape all. From cosmic rhythm